Hi, welcome back to Open Hand Farm. I'm Penny, and today I went to get my Azure order. I don't have a lot of stuff, but I definitely have some different things that are very interesting that I thought you might like to know about. So let's see what I got. Something that I've had before is the Nancy's Kefir, and I used to get only the blueberry in the 32 ounce, and now they have the raspberry in the 32 ounce. So I was really excited. And I have to tell you what I did with my kefir that I didn't quite use up before the expiration date. I poured it into a silicone mold and froze it and then put it in a Ziploc bag. I have been taking them out and letting them set a few minutes and then eating them kind of like a popsicle, only with a spoon. And I'm pretty sure you could just put that whole block into your smoothies also. I was picking up my Azure order one day and a lady had a lot of this cottage cheese. So I asked her if it was good, and she said it was the best cottage cheese she's ever had. So I'm trying some today. I'm just gonna go ahead and open one and see what we think. Okay, this is a twist. The lid says probiotic cottage cheese. You guys, it's fermented. It is so good. It's like a sour cream-ish taste, but it's cottage cheese. I don't know how to explain it, but it's really good. Some more new items I'm trying are this pear nectar and peach nectar. I make my own kombucha, and I thought these would be amazing to use for the second fermentation. I thought I would put some basil in with the pear and some mint in with the peach. I'll let you know how that tastes. I also got some millet, which is a gluten-free grain, and I just had been seeing some recipes with that and decided to go ahead and get some. Now, you know that I love this cinnamon raisin Ezekiel 4:9 bread. You can see that it says it's flourless, but that does not mean it does not have wheat in it. Here are the ingredients: wheat, barley, beans, lentils, millet, and spelt. But they're all sprouted and then dried and then ground. It's delicious. I also like the Ezekiel 4:9 English muffins. They are really yummy. So I had to buy 3 packages this time. So I am also trying some avocado oil that was on sale. I had been needing to get some, so I went ahead and got it there. And some of the recipes I've been looking for asked for coconut cream, and I didn't have any, so I bought a few little cans of that. I, again, bought some more of the crunchy CB's nuts organic peanut butter. I really like this. It's great. Something else new, 2 more things. This one, which is a candle. I love candles, and it's getting closer to winter, and the scent of this just sounded great. So I'm going to try this. I'm also going to try this new product. These are called soap nuts. You guys, I'd never heard of that. It's very odd, but you put these nut shells in this bag and you wash your laundry with it. They have a sudsy kind of substance in them or on them. I'm not real sure. I haven't totally researched them, but I've researched them enough to know that I want to try them. It's a natural way to do laundry, and some of my kids have allergies to detergents. I have been using a detergent that has worked for them, but I've been thinking about getting away from that, so I'm going to give these a try. If you've ever used soap nuts and you have any pointers, please leave it in the comments below so that I can use them to their best ability. We also got some split peas for the chickens. They have been out of green split peas, so we bought the yellow split peas. And I did some research, and they are the same amount of protein, but apparently they have a little bit of a different flavor. And to be honest, our chickens don't really like the peas as much as we would like them to, so they leave some behind. So I'm hoping the yellow peas will be more satisfactory to their taste. Well, thanks for hanging out with me and seeing what I have from Azure today. Like I said, it's not a lot, but it does have some new interesting items. Thanks again for watching, and until next time, blessings on you and yours.